Welcome back to Study Inside.
Dear students, today we are going to see self-introduction for school students in English. Are you a school student and confused about how to introduce yourself in English? Don't worry. Today I will show you a simple and perfect self-introduction that you can use in class, exams, and interviews. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rahul Sharma. I am studying in class 8 at ABC School. I live with my family in Tamil Nadu. My family consists of 4 members: my father, mother, and my sister. My hobbies are reading books, playing cricket, and watching educational videos. My aim is to become a teacher/doctor/engineer in the future and make my family proud. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.